In this video, we're going to be looking a little bit more deeper in this shading, but we'll be talking about a lot about textures. So basically, we're going to be covering two textures. One is like, let's just add a texture for now, and for that, we're going to be adding an image. And let's just say that we want a soccer ball to be um, to be kind of the texture we're going to be using. So it's an image of a soccer ball. If you want to see how it looks like, we're gonna be putting it in here and here too, so that we can just see what we are dealing with. Okay, but we're gonna be we're gonna be focusing on our object here, and this is the soccer ball. And if you just put the color in it, uh, by connecting the color to the base color, you would notice that we are able to put that soccer texture in this one. So a couple of things here. One is like, what happens if you wanna add like the transparency to it. So in order to add the transparency or the alpha channel, you're gonna be connecting the color to the alpha channel, and you would notice that it won't take effect. And the reason for that is that we haven't allowed the transparency yet for this object. For that, in order to allow the transparency or change the alpha channel, we're going to be going to the material properties, scroll down until you see blend mode, and we want to either use the alpha hashed or alpha blend. So now you would see that we are successfully able to not only add the texture to it, but also able to change the alpha channel, meaning we are able to change the transparency of the object. This is one way of adding texture by taking an image and like putting the texture on an object, like that. The other way is that we're gonna be doing is going to the texture and use the like an algorithmic texture. So for that, we're gonna be using Voronoi texture, and I'm just gonna, in order to remove, you can either just remove it like this, or in order to remove the connections, or you go here and then select this cut tool, and you can get the connections like that. Again, going back to the uh, selection tool, we're gonna be adding the color over here, and you would notice that what it did is like it actually uh, this is a mathematically generated a texture, and you can randomize it however you like, and you can scale it, and it's gonna put multiple, like the size of the boxes or the pattern or the texture it is using, that's gonna be changing. And then there's gonna be different filters. You can use Euclidean, you can use the Manhattan one, you can use different other ones. So this is another one, but this one, the resolution is infinite. You it's not gonna bother you about the resolution because it is a mathematically generated texture, whereas the image texture is like, if you try to put a small image on a bigger one, you're gonna have start having the issues with the resolution. Those were the textures I wanted to cover. Thanks for watching.